Hi everyone, welcome. Thanks for doing the class today. So we did sea turtles. Here's the stamp set we used. And so this is a cool little set because you can actually use the back of some of the stamps and use them. You'll see what we do in a minute. I did wear shells. I didn't have any turtles for earrings, but I thought maybe I should have made some later. So we'll just go around the room. Di, what did you make?
Yeah, so I don't have the turtles except on my shirt.
Well, that's cool.
So I had to improvise, but I went with the tropical
Wow,
theme still.
that looks cool.
Did some
Wow.
flowers,
Yeah,
hibiscus.
I like that.
And the second one went all out with palm trees and a weave.
My goodness, doesn't it? Oh, that's incredible. So you've got the ribbon across the bottom
Yep,
that we
around the bottom.
used, yeah, and you've just used the base cards, yeah.
Yep. And the
Cool.
last one, I went for pineapples.
Wow, that looks so
And more
cool.
pineapples and lots of pineapples.
Lots of pineapples. Oh, that looks fantastic. Oh, that's really cool. So it just goes to show you can use other stamp sets with these classes if anyone's looking and go, oh, I don't have that stamp set. Don't worry about it. How'd you go, Roz?
Okay, so my first one is there.
Oh, I love the turtle colours.
Big gradient turtles. And
Yeah, they look
a whole
cool.
bunch of different colours.
Yeah. Oh, they're great.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what embossing folder did you use?
I use the seabed. I think it's an older
Yeah,
set.
that's fine. Yeah.
I couldn't find the right one. I know
Okay.
I have it, but no idea
Yeah.
where it is at the moment. Typical
Yeah.
crafting.
Okay. That's all right. You can use anything on there.
Then I did this one. I did that way. Yeah,
Oh, wow. That's cool. Oh, I love the turtle. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got so much depth in it. It's like a round shell.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then on the last one, I did, well, obviously turtle.
Turtle.
And I did a bit more colour on it.
Yep.
And then we have...
Oh, more turtles. A bit of seaweed.
And some...
Lovely.
There we go.
Thank you.
And on my turtle, I sort of did some hand embossing and put a dimensional in the middle and stuck in down around. So we put a little bit of depth.
That looks good. Oh, wow. I just love the way, well, obviously they're different today because you used a different stamp set, but I just love the way they all turn out different. So where's my first one? So my first card was this one. So this is what we based the class on. So this hello there is actually out of a stamp set that was from Celebration. So that's there, hello there. It's not pretty sophisticated, but on my other card today, I've used this little hello, or I'll just stick that down more. I put a dot under the other bit. So this one is from a stamp set that is current and it's staying in the new catalogue. So that's good. And that has dies to cut them out. You don't have to fussy cut them. That was my first one. I didn't do anything on the inside. That's on the thick card. We did that one on the thick card. Just got some extra turtles on the table because you can. My second one was this one. That was my original one, I think. And this is the one I did today. So they all turn out different every time you try playing with these. So that's my second one. And then my third one, that was my original one. I just did this to be something a little bit different so you can stand it up like that. So once someone's opened the card, it sits there and you can see the little fish swimming in it. And that's my second one. So that's the same again. Got little turtles. Oh, that's actually got a hidden little, let's see if you can see my hidden stamp. It's got like a little ghost stamp in there. Look. My ghost stamp. So that's it for today. I'll plan the next one for the end of April, but I haven't planned what suite or stamp we're using yet. So hope you can join me. Let me know if you're interested, and thanks for joining us. Ciao.
Ciao.